Going on with y'all, Ken Focus, your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy F, baby. Please say the baby. Back on the scene with a pocket full of green, man. Hey, man, it feel good to be back, man. I got to see how I remember how to do this, you know. Man, it's been a long time coming for your boy, man. But anyway, like I said, your boy is back. Feel good to be back, man. About to give y'all some vlogs, man. But everything's so dry. But before we get started, this your first time over here, man, make sure you Hulk smash that subscribe button for your boy, man. Ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any video that I got to put out. Like I said, bro, I know it's been a long time coming with your boy. I ain't going nowhere else no more, man. Glad to be back. Great nation, we back in the building, man. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, I got to work today. Got my uniform on. But we about to blast off to the mall, see what we got. I ain't been to work in a minute, but let me see what we got going on for y'all, man. Let's go ahead and blast off. Guys, so we made it to the mall. Guess I can show y'all what we got. Need to show y'all what I got on right quick. Hold on. Got a new camera. Y'all see that? Got them dunk things for y'all, them De La Souls, but let's walk in the store, man, see what they got. Boys in here working. Look at that. See what the boys got going on in the back. Yo.
What up, gang?
What you doing, shipment?
Hell yeah.
Hey, we ain't got no stock gotta get.
Hell no.
Dev in the building. No, what's going on, man? It's blurred, they can't see. What we got, man? Oh yeah, I need them.
We got the mellows coming in.
Move this man! Oh, I thought it was a teal. That's blue.
Nah, yeah. Pictures online don't do it justice. It's blue. It's not teal.
Oh man, that's like the Carolina Panthers.
It really is. He might come out with another one that's like Hornets color.
That's what I thought it was online. Oh man, they done blew me with that one.
For the future, if you do like a gray and teal one for the Hornets, I
Yeah.
feel like that'd be dope.
Yeah, I thought online it looked like it's teal.
All right, we gotta restock on some hotcakes here.
Ooh.
Hell yeah.
I need.
For the people.
13s. Oh, that's some trash bandicoots.
Trash.
That's some more 5s.
Yeah. Size 14 for these big foot niggas.
All right. Y'all hear that with y'all foot looking like a machete. Size 14.
What is this, royal blue or sports blue?
Racer blue.
Racer blue.
Yeah.
I'm tired of this blue shit.
I can't say I'm tired of the blue, but I don't know. I'm not getting those.
It's not for me.
Yeah.
It's for somebody though.
Yeah, definitely ain't for me.
Oh, one more. Gotta say the best for last.
Oh, man.
And then you got your.
That's the Marina. Ooh.
I'm not even sure on the date on these, but.
Ooh. About to give y'all that review.
Crazy.
I got the Royal, so I ain't touching. Who that is?
Pete.
What's up, bro?
Right.
Yeah, man. How you living?
I'm good, bro. I'm good, man. Yeah, that's it so far.
That's all we got?
That's it so far. Ooh. I got over there somebody restock.
Where?
Over there, man.
Uh-oh. Hey.
Hey, you got a new phone?
Got a new phone in this bitch.
Dang.
Hey.
Wait, me too.
now.
Y'all eating all bad. Hey, 13 gang in the building. What's up? What you got, 5 guys? You got some 5 guys in your mouth? Pause. Hey, damn, y'all back here eating good. Yeah, I'm vlogging.
You started back up?
Yeah, since I got the phone now.
We don't be nothing in shoes, y'all.
No, yeah, oh yeah, we gotta speak on that. We don't do that down here. Leah, what happened to the diet?
That's disgusting.
Huh?
That was disgusting.
What happened to the diet?
The who?
The diet. You eating Chick-fil-A?
That's the only thing I've ate so far.
Hold on.
Pretty girl. I'm like, it's me.
Okay. That's y'all. Y'all don't know. Yeah, man, we won't be doing that in shoes down here. Let me see what else we got back here.
So let's exchange digits and later arrange digits, even your next door.
Hey, White, what's up, man? Are you making this jamming, man?
I'm talking about a true friendship.
In here, yeah. What we got? What this box? Ooh. Jordan 3? Shit. What we got? Oh. Look what we looking like. What we got that right? Dang. They gonna flood the streets with these. I feel sorry for anybody that buying them early, because everybody gonna get them. I'm lying. I ain't gonna do that. I'm lying, man. But yeah, y'all see what we got, man. These. Y'all ready to talk about it?
Not it.
Yeah, them definitely in there. That's a tax time sneaker, man. The hood gonna have them.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just not a hood guy, guys. Never been a hood guy. I'm sophisticated, educated.
Y'all already know we got that.
What else rhyme with sophisticated and educated? What we got? What we got?
This.
Hey, yeah, them ain't the OGs. They, ain't nothing wrong with them. You one of them. I forgot, you young. All right, so here we go. Mellow Ball and men's. Let's see what we got. Box don't want to come out. I can't pull it out. Pause. All right, let's see what we got. Let's take a look at these. Move this out the way. See what the men's pair looking like. Okay. Definitely look better than that kids one I just showed y'all. Oh yeah, the blue still kind of throwing me off though. I don't know if y'all can see that. But that look like Carolina Panthers blue. That don't look like Charlotte Hornets blue. Y'all let me know in the comment section if I'm tripping. I don't think I'm tripping though. They look good though. Yeah, I gotta have these. Definitely need these. These going in the collection.
One eternity later.
All right, y'all. So like I said earlier, bro, we got some things coming out, man. And I know this sneaker I'm about to show y'all right here, like y'all seen all that other mess, but this one I'm about to show y'all, bro. But y'all go ahead and see it, man. Look at this thing, man. We got the Cardinal 3s. Let y'all see that thing right there, man. Check out, bro, the box is stupid crazy. And I like how Jordan Brand is starting to do their boxes with the 3s. We got the 75% Cardinal Red, and then the other 25% is like that elephant print. All right, but that ain't what y'all here for. Y'all ain't here for the box. Y'all here for this. All right, and the tag reads Air Jordan 3 Retro. Colorway is white, light curry Cardinal Red. This is a size 10.5, 10 and a half for y'all. Hey, bro. Hey, that thing, let it zoom in for y'all. Woo! Let's drop the top like PT Cruise on this thing, man. Okay. Got the cement paper. I don't see any stamps or nothing like that in it. Ooh-wee. Bro, I think I done changed my mind on these. These just look fire. Yeah. Check it out. Ooh, y'all look at that tumble. Can y'all see that? Let it zoom in for y'all. Let it get a little focus for y'all. Your boy got that quality. Ooh, look at that tumble. Boy, that's grade A Angus beef right there. Now, I ain't want no problems with Peter, because I love animals. But, dog, this is a grade A Angus beef cow. That's one of them steak cows right there. That cow tastes good, you feel me? Look at the other for y'all, man. Let's see what we got. Whew. Hey, these things right here cold. They tough. I don't know, man. I said I wasn't going to get these because I got the Katrina 3s, but before we talk about that, let's go ahead and go into detail. Now, the Air Jordan 3 Retro Cardinal. What can I say about it, guys? It ain't too much I can say except this shoe is mother fire, you feel me? I ain't even gonna hold y'all. But go ahead and start out with the outsole. We got our regular Jordan 3 outsole. Head up onto the midsole. It is outlined in that Cardinal Red. Now, the Cardinal Red, it looked kind of like cranberry a little bit, but it definitely reminds me of the OG Arizona Cardinals color, that Arizona Cardinals red, that Pat Tillman red. Shout out to Pat Tillman, RIP Pat Tillman. Y'all know Cuba Gooding Jr., you know, showed me the money. Well, I'm gonna show y'all these threes, because these threes gonna be worth some money, you feel me? All right, now heading to the upper, like I said earlier, you got that Angus beef tumbled leather. This is the type of leather I like. I like my threes like this. I wish Jordan Brand would bring this quality on all of the sneakers, man. I'll let y'all see that thing one more time, man, because my God. All right, now heading further up into the lace loops, you do have your Cardinal Red lace loops on that thing, and heading down, you do have the curry yellow or that golden yellow. Kind of remind me of like that honey mustard yellow, you feel me? All right, and with the tongue, we do have our Jumpman Jordan branding on the tongue. Once again, that curry gold, that Carolina gold, you feel me? That barbecue. What y'all know about that Carolina gold barbecue? And the sock liner, now the sock liner feels a little satin-like, you feel me? I know with threes, we always get that BS sock liner, but this right here, this satin feel to it, bro. Check it out. Whew. That thing right there, nice. It's nice, man. All right, and we do have our elephant print, which is a signature on Jordan 3s. And heading on to the back tab, we do have our Jumpman Air. Now, with these not being an original colorway, bro, you know, they were gonna put Nike Air on the back. So we had to have that Jumpman with the Air on it. Man, I'm gonna give y'all some B-roll of this, because this is fire, dog. I can't even, bro, I might need 2 pairs of these. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. Like I said, I got the Katrina 3s, and I was kind of hesitant before seeing it in hand, but looking at them now, bro, I have to have these. All right, man, I hope y'all enjoyed that B-roll, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. Is this a pickup for you? Like I said, it's definitely a pickup for me. And these are releasing in February. I know February is the month where things start to pick up. January was kind of a slow month, but we getting the heat with these. There's a lot of stuff I want in January, and these definitely made it to the list now. So like I said, y'all let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these. And once again, it's been your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy, back on the scene, man. And as always, sending everybody love, peace, and all that beef, throw some chicken grease on that thing.